Hello everyone, welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn SolidWorks lofted boss or base command. To use lofted boss or base command, we need at least two different sketches. We will add planes and then create a sketch profile on it. Before moving forward, show the basic reference plane first. Show. Then go to the features, reference planes, click on planes. Select first reference plane as the top plane and give distance here, that is the offset distance. Let us say 400 mm. Click OK. One plane has been added at the top side. One more plane we will add at the bottom side. Then select top plane. It will be added below this reference plane. Click OK. Now we have added two different planes. Now we will create a sketch on all three planes, like plane 1, basic plane, and plane 2. Just off these planes. Go to the sketch. Click on sketch and select plane. Create here any geometry. I have created one hexagon. Dimension it. Then make it vertical, fully defined, and close sketch. Then click on sketch, select top plane, make it normal. Get here different geometry, sketch profile. I will take a circle, dimension it. Close sketch. Create one more sketch. Create one more sketch on plane 2. Sketch. Select plane 2. Make it normal. Now we will take one rectangle. Dimension it. Close sketch. We have created 3 sketches on 3 different planes. Now we will use lofted boss here. Go to the feature. Click on lofted boss or base. Now here we have 3 options, major options that we generally used. First one is based on the profile, guided curve, and third is centerline parameters. Now we will go with profiles first, and then we will see these two later on. Select first profile point, then second profile, and then third profile. Now we can see this is lofted based on our sketch profiles, and it is twisted here. To remove this twist, just unselect this point and select this point. Now it will not twist. It is lofted straight way. Click OK. Now suppose you want to edit sketch or increase the size of this profile. Just go to this loft and expand it. Click on sketch 1, that is on plane 1. Edit sketch and make it bigger. That is 100. Sketch. Now it will update based on our based on the profile. So second option we will see based on the center line. So just this. So the right plane, you have to create one center line to guide that profile. So H, make it normal. Now I will draw here one spline as a center line. Go to the lofted boss once again. And center line, we have to select center line here and select center. Will be lofted based on that center line. Now you want to edit that center line, go to the sketch 4, edit sketch, and just adjust or dimension it as per your requirement. Click OK, close sketch. Now this is the lofted boss with center line. Next option we will see, that is lofted with guided curve. Delete this, sketch 4, delete it, or we can edit this one. And sketch, make it normal. Edit this one, take a new spline and just draw curve like this. Guided curve from this area. Go to the lofted boss. This time we will use guided curve. So you have to select these two guided curves. You have to select. Click on it and select first profile and then select second profile. Now in this case we haven't selected this middle one because this guided curve should be intersecting with each and every profile, so that we haven't selected this one. Click OK and off the planes. So in this video we have learned lofted boss or base command based on sketch profiles, center line and guided curve. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you. In the next video we will learn lofted cut command. Thank you.